Hi everybody, Jason Fairchild with Guarantee RV. Thanks for taking the time to check out our website. Today I'm going to go over a really cool 2010 budget coach. This is a 29-foot quad bunk. Come on inside and check it out with me. Okay, as we can see here in the living area, this is an extremely clean trailer. It was well cared for. We've got our dinette booth right here. Across from that we've got our couch. Nice kitchen with a double sink, 3-burner stove. Your oven and microwave, lots of storage, nice fridge freezer combination here. It's a Norcold. Real quick, we'll poke our heads in the bathroom. We'll get out of the way so you can come in. We've got our toilet, sink, medicine cabinet, and a nice tub shower combination. Even a little place to set, maybe shave some legs or clean your feet. As we move to the back, we can see our quad bunks. 2 on each side, windows for each bed, which is fantastic. Really lets the light in and makes it feel not so claustrophobic. Good storage here in the center for them and a place to put a little TV. As we turn around, in the front of the trailer, we've got our main sleeping area. We've got a full walk-around queen up here with storage above and on both sides, and drawers below on the nightstand. Now let's check out the storage below the bed here. Nice. So we've got access in the front there to pass-through storage, but they've separated it from the bed. We've got a large pass-through storage bay here in the front. We can get to both sides. As we move down, we can see we've got a large manual awning. Additional storage here in the back underneath the bunk. Full-size spare tire. And then on the other side, we're going to have all of our hookups for our trailer. There's some additional storage here on this side. Full pass-through in the back as well. So we've got a ton of storage in this trailer. Here's your 30-amp power cord, your water heater, back of your refrigerator, your city water connection. Down below we've got our gray and black dump. And we've got one of our corner stabilizers. Nice big slide here. Back side of our pass-through storage here, that's locked. And as we come around to the front, we can see we have your nice propane tanks, and we're going to provide 2 batteries with this trailer. Thank you for checking out this website, guys. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057 if you have any questions on this 2010 Rainier or any of our other RVs in stock. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.